Today I'll show you exactly how to add a contact on Telegram using several different methods. Whether you've just started using Telegram or you want a quick refresher, by the end of this tutorial you'll know how to easily connect with friends, family, or colleagues, however you prefer. Let's dive right into it. First up, adding by phone number. This is the classic, straightforward way and works best if you already know the person personally or you have them in your phone's address book. Open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, look for the icon that starts a new message. Depending on your device, it's usually a pencil or a chat bubble in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap that. You'll see a few options pop up. Here you want to tap New Contact. It's designed to add someone into your Telegram, just like adding a new name into your phone book. Now you'll be prompted to enter the person's first name. The last name is totally optional, so don't stress if you only know their first name. Make sure you type in their mobile phone number carefully, and very importantly, include the correct country code if they're living abroad or traveling. This helps Telegram identify them worldwide. Once you've double-checked the info, tap the checkmark or create button to finish. If your contact already uses Telegram, they'll instantly pop up in your contact list. It's seamless. And don't worry if they don't use Telegram yet, they'll show up whenever they join, so you can add friends proactively. Sometimes, though, you want to connect without sharing phone numbers, especially if you met someone in a group chat, or maybe you'd rather keep things a little more private. That's where adding by username comes in. On your Telegram app, look up at the top for the search icon, a magnifying glass. Tap that and you'll get a search field. Now type their exact Telegram username. It should start with the @ symbol. Example, @JaneDoe. Accuracy matters here. Usernames are unique and a typo might pull up the wrong person or nothing at all. Once you see them in the search results, select their profile. You'll land directly in your personal chat with them. To actually save them as a contact, tap their name up top to open their profile details. Look for the 3 dots, sometimes called the More menu. Tap that, and you'll see the Add to Contacts option. Just select it, and there you go. They're now saved to your contacts, even though you don't have their phone number. This method is great for networking, joining study groups, or connecting with people from different communities without revealing too much personal info. Now let's talk about one more handy trick, adding a contact straight from a group chat. Let's say you're already chatting in a group and want to connect privately with someone there. First, open the group chat and tap the group's name at the top. This opens up the info page where you can see all members. Scroll down until you find the member you want to add and tap on their name. This brings up their profile. Again, look for those 3 dots in the profile's top corner, tap and choose Add to Contacts. That's all it takes. You can do this for any group member, making it easy to build your Telegram network after a group project, class, or hobby event. And there you have it, 3 simple ways to quickly grow your Telegram contact list, depending on what works best for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Got questions, or maybe you'd like more tips about Telegram features? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I always enjoy hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any future how-to videos. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.